Today is Tuesday, October the 5th. Just before the market opens in 5 minutes, I wanted to do something really quick. The market looks like it's ready for a little bounce this morning, the last time I looked, but look at the McClellan oscillator. It's following this trend here. We had this high, lower high, lower high. Now we're down below the neutral line. If you look here, we had a low, a higher low. There's a good possibility that we come down and touch this line in the McClellan oscillator. That's how the technicals work. A lot of people are watching these kind of things. Remember, we were following also the summation index. The summation index at 655 is the lowest that we've seen it for this year, right down here. Remember, we said we had trouble figuring out how to read this thing, but then we took a look at this peak and saw that the SPX dipped after this peak. Then we saw this peak right up in here, and we saw the SPX dip again. We saw this peak, and then we saw the SPX starting to dip, and I think this is the dip that we're coming into now, and that could be confirmed by the charts, because when you look at the Dow Jones, what's the next level of support? It's the 200, and it could happen in a flash. But I would say, with the Chico span having lost the cloud, after having found the cloud as resistance once, resistance twice, and now losing it, it's quite possible we're going down to there for a healthy pullback. Same with the Chico span for the Nasdaq. It's lost the top of the cloud. It's probably also coming down into this area here, and the SPX, same story. But look where it ended yesterday. It ended yesterday just on top of the cloud. It went as low as into the cloud like the Nasdaq did. There's a very good chance that if we fail today or tomorrow, that it too would be coming down to the 200. None of the stocks look very good right now. They're all pulling back in unison with the market. And let's look for more pullback this week. And certainly debt limit talks and the absolute total ridiculousness of what's going on in Congress right now is not making the market any more confident.